The Dreamline G3 and STX cushions incorporate our patented cluster gel technology. These gel packs easily reshape to fill different shapes and sizes of ischial wells and cushions for excellent soft protection under the user. The cluster gel is diced into tiny pieces with a proprietary lubrication surface applied to the gel, then inserted into the packs. Like fluid, the gel moves around inside the pack, but unlike fluid, it will not dissipate from underneath the user. The bags are perforated, minimizing any bursting risk. The advantages of cluster gel over fluid gel packs are more protection. The gel always remains under the user. No pack bursting. No evaporation, reduction, or property changing over the life cycle of the gel. No ongoing maintenance or kneading required. The unique cluster gel packs provide superior comfort and excellent pressure redistribution for long-term sitters.